Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I'll show you how to change lock screen clock style in your Samsung Galaxy M14 4G phone. Now at first, if I lock my device, then turn on screen, then touch and hold on the lock screen, then unlock your pattern. Now from here you can customize your lock screen. If you tap on this clock, and here you can see so many clock style. You can choose any clock style as you like. If I select this, from here you can change your clock style color. You can choose any color as you like. And from here you can change your clock text style. You can also change your clock position from here. Then tap on done and it's changed. You can also customize your lock screen from your settings app. If you go to settings app and then scroll down, then go to lock screen, then tap on edit lock screen, and here it is. You can also customize your lock screen from here. And that is how you can change lock screen clock style in your Samsung Galaxy M14 4G phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.